So, good morning, students. Am I audible to you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, where are the rest of the students? So, let's wait for 2 minutes and let let's hope that more of your classmates join and then we can begin with the class. Right? So, in this diploma class, I am going to discuss we discussed the poem Night of the Scorpion in our last class. Right? So, in this lecture, I'll be discussing a few questions related to that poem. Right? And also, we'll just revise the poem for once. Did you read the poem? फिर तो पोएम पढ़ी थी किसी ने ऑनलाइन किसी ने क्लब के पोएम वगैरह कुछ पढ़ा सी all right, that's good. So Simran had read it. All right. चलो बच्चे मैं ना स्क्रीन शेयर करने लगी हूँ ਆਪਾਂ पोएम रिवाइज करनी स्टार्ट कर दें एंड बाय द टाइम होपफुली मोर स्टूडेंट्स विल जॉइन इन so who will read it first? Night of the Scorpion. Right, I have included a picture of the scorpion for your reference. ठीक है ये थोड़ी जी ਆਪਾਂ इन्फॉर्मेशन देखी ਸੀਗੀ पोएट बारे right. Now let's read the poem. Akash, why don't you read this page?
Yes, ma'am. The was by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven his
बेटा थोड़ा आई थिंक कनेक्शन वीक है थोड़ी आवाज क्लियरली नहीं आ रही कैन यू चेक आकाश थोड़ा कनेक्शन वीक तो नहीं है
No, ma'am.
क्योंकि आवाज थोड़ी जी लैग करके आ रही है चलो हुन फिर तो रीड करो लेट्स सी यस बच्चे रीड इट अगेन ओके नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम इज देयर समीर व्हाई डोंट यू रीड इट
I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of the steady rain had driven me to cry. beneath a sack of rice. Parting with his poison flash of diabolic tail in the dark room, he risked the rain again. The peasants hum like swarms of flies and burst the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil. Diabolic related to the devil, evil threat to paralyze, to make powerless, destroy.
All right. चलो ਹੁਣ ਰਾਜਵਿੰਦਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਪੇਜ ਰੀਡ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਬੇਟਾ
with the candlelight and with the lantern throwing a giant scorpion shadows on the mud-bucked walls.
baked
They
beta
searched
mud
for
baked
him.
walls
Mud-baked walls. They searched for him. He was not found. They clicked their tongues with every moment that the scorpion made his poison moved in mother's blood. They said, may he sit still. They said, may the sign of your previous birth be burned away tonight. They said, may your suffering decrease the misfortune of your next birth. They said, may the sum of all evil balanced in this unreal world.
okay एक बेटा sins ਹੁੰਦਾ right with candles and with lanterns throwing giant scorpion shadows on the mud baked walls they searched for him he was not found they clipped their tongues with every movement that the scorpion made his poison moved in mother's blood they said may he sit still, they said. May the sins of your previous birth be burned away tonight, they said. May your suffering decrease the misfortunes of your next birth, they said. May the sum of all evil, balanced in this unreal world, against the sum of good, become diminished by your pain. May the poison purify your flesh of desire and your spirit of ambition. They said, and they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center. The peace of understanding on each face. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. My mother twisted through and through, groaning on a mat. Right? Hun our next कौन पढ़ेगा? Simranjeet, why don't you read this one?
मैम गला खराब है मैम बोलिया नहीं
कोई नहीं जिद्दां दे भी बोलिया जा रहा उदां तुसीं रीड कर दो बहुत
मैम सारा पैरा
हाँ जी सारा पैरा पढ़ आप पूरे पेज दा
मैम
कर
आप
दो
हाँ जी माय फादर skeptic rationalist trying every curse and blessing powder mixture herb and hybrid he even powder a little paraffin upon the bitten tube and put a match to it I wanted to flame feeding on my mother I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the position with an incination. After 20 hours, it lost its sting. My mother only said, thank God the scriven picked on me and spared my children.
ठीक है इधर है my father skeptic rationalist trying every curse and blessing powder mixture herb and hybrid he even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it I watched the flame feeding on my mother I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation after 20 hours it lost its sting my mother only said Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children. Right? ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜੇ words ਦੇਖ ਲਈਏ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ skeptic means one who is doubtful about religion or about a particular object. Like skeptic ਉਹ ਲੋਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ doubt ਕਰਦੇ ਆ right ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੁਣ in this case it would be he is called his father skeptic मतलब the father is not readily, ready to believe in what the villagers believe in. जिवें villagers सारे गल कर रहे सी ना, may this purify your flesh of desire, may this decrease the suffering of your next birth, ਜਾਂ ਇਹ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਬਰਥ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਾਂਡ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਜ਼ਾ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, right? So the father has been called a skeptic, which means that the father does not believe readily in all these concepts, right? Then we also have a word rationalist. Rationalist is a person who bases their opinions and actions on reason and knowledge rather than on religious belief or emotional response. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੈਸ਼ਨਲਿਸਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ, ਲੌਜਿਕ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ ਜਾਂ ਸੁਪਰਸਟੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਮੰਨਣ। ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਪੁੱਛਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਸੁਪਰਸਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਲੌਜਿਕ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ। ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਰਿਲਾਈ ਮੋਰ ਔਨ ਨੌਲੇਜ, more on कह लो even scientific facts या science rather than on emotional responses या what religious beliefs include, right? फिर उन्होंने we read this ना that the father even poured a little paraffin. Paraffin बेटा की होता है, it's a flammable waxy material which is used for making candles. ਜਿਹੜੀ candle wax नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ paraffin ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ। Then incantation. Incantation means a series of words said as a magic spell or charm. So if the father is trying, to tame the poison with an incantation, the holy man perform his rites. So holy man, it could be कोई उत्तर the village the pandit है या कोई इधर का person है who has knowledge about all these things, right? And he is performing rites to tame the poison with an incantation. Maybe कोई मंत्र का उच्चारण या कोई इधर words बोल रहे, कोई prayer बोल रहे, so that the poison is tamed, right? So that is the meaning of the word incantation. मैं अब बेटा इस पीपीटी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ शेयर करूंगी. You read the poem again, right? And you also go through the word meanings, क्योंकि हो सकता है पेपर ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ डायरेक्ट word meaning ही ਇਹਦਾ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਕਿ ਆਹ ਵਾਲੇ word ਦਾ ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ, right? I did मतलब highlight the words ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ ਥੋੜੇ new words ਹੈ, but other than that, if you feel that you do not know the meaning of a particular word, ਤੁਸੀਂ dictionary ਵਿੱਚ ਪੱਕਾ ਉਹਦਾ meaning check ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ notes ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ poem ਦੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਿਖ ਲਿਓ. That will help you for your exams, right? Now let's move further. मैं कुछ questions यदि पहले brief summary read कर लेने हैं, and then we can move to discussing a few questions about related to the poem. Kiran, beta, why don't you start reading the summary?
The poet remembers a dark rainy night when his mother was stung by a scorpion. It was raining heavily. A scorpion had taken shelter under a sack of rice. When the poet's mother went to get rice from the granary of scorpion bit her, the disappear in the rain. The neighboring peasants come in large numbers with candles and lanterns. They changed the name of God to paralyzing the evil one. They wanted to stop the scorpion from moving. They believed the effect of the poison would increase with the movement of the scorpion. They wanted to kill it, but it wasn't found anywhere. The poet's mother was in great pain. The people prayed that all the sins of the previous birth be burnt. They believed the word to be unreal and wanted pain to absolve all her sins. That decreases the suffering of the next birth also move, and more people walked in. The poet's mother continued to suffer and was in great pain.
Great, very good. Right, so a थोड़ी brief summary ਆਪਾਂ वैसे पढ़ लिया सी already, right? So this is for your reference. बातें थोड़ी जो रिवाइज करनी है, इन केस ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਨਾ ਸਮਝ ਆਏ, you can read the summary again and then you'll get to know, right? And ਅੱਛਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਪੜਿਆ ਕਿਰਨ, but always remember that wherever there is a full stop ਉੱਥੇ ਹਲਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਆਪਾਂ pause ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ, right? Similarly ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਥੇ comma ਆਂਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ pause ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸਲੀ ਰੀਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਸਕੇ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਸੁਣ ਰਿਹਾ ਪਰਸਨ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਚਾਹੇ ਇਹ ਟੈਕਸਟ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਕਿ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਐਂਡ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਸੋ ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਹੈਵੀਲੀ, ਅ ਸਕੋਰਪੀਅਨ ਹੈਡ ਟੇਕਨ ਸ਼ੈਲਟਰ ਅੰਡਰ ਅ ਸੈਕ ਆਫ ਰਾਈਸ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। when the poet's mother went to get rice from the granary, the scorpion bit her and disappeared in the rain. ਇਹਦਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ brief pause ਲੈਣਾ wherever there is a full stop or a comma, All right. So अपन next देखते हैं. Okay, who else is in the class today? Heyman, why don't you read this?
The villagers were superstitious, but the poet's father was a disbeliever. He doubted everything, especially the claims of religion. He was a rational person. His views were based on reason and logic. He tried every powder, mixture, herb, and an amalgam of herbs and prayers. He poured a little paraffin upon the biffen foe and put a match to it. The poet watched the flame feeding on his mother. He also watched the holy man trying to control the effect of position with words in prayer or magic, and performed his rites. After 20 hours, the sling was lost, the poison became powerless, and the mother recovered. She forgot all the suffering and her pain. She thanked God and was grateful that the scorpion had spared her children.
Right, very good. Right, Equita, whenever you're reading, be very attentive about what word is it. Like, to say the poison no position kya tha. I know that could be because the spellings are kind of similar or there are similar alphabets here, right? But when you're reading, be very careful कि word exact लिखा की है. Similarly, it's she forgot and not forget, right? This is for everyone, not just Heyman or anybody else who read in the class. This tip is for everyone that ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਪੜੋ word exactly ਕੀ ਹੈ, right? And then ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ. All right, so let's move further. So now I have just included a few questions ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਥੋੜੇ important ਹੈ and ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ maybe exam ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਣ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, related to the poem. So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ questions ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ read ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. In case ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ, you can ask me, we can discuss it again, and these questions will be there with you for your reference, ठीक है. अपने exam ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ you can revise this PPT and your poem would be prepared. All right. So let's Tarandeep Singh, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੇਟਾ ਆ ਵਾਲਾ question read ਕਰੋ. Tarandeep, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, read this question, please.
हाँ जी मैम.
हाँ जी, बेटा question read करो.
How was the mother bitten by the scorpion? The poet and his family lived in a village. It was night time. There was continuous rain for 10 hours. Due to rain, a scorpion entered the poet's house. It stung the poet's mother and crawled under a sack of rice. The poison was spreading through the body of the mother. The scorpion may have foreseen that the villagers will search for it and kill it. So it risked from the house. So it risked the rain again and escaped from the
From the
house.
house. All right. So any difficult word here or any new word here that you feel you don't know the meaning of? So you can mention that word in the chat box. Let's see. कोई बेटे थे न्यू वर्ड तो लग गया कि सारे वर्ड्स का मीनिंग पता है? All right, let's move further. Sameer, can you read this question? Yes, Sameer, am I audible to you? Sameer, am I audible to you? Sameer, are you even attending the class? All right, chalo, let's move on to Akash. Why don't you read this question? Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so why is there a delay in responding? Akash, I think class ही छटती है. So anyway, I'll read it for you. So how did the villagers come to the aid of the woman? So the answer is, the farmers in the village came to know that the mother was bitten by a scorpion. They rushed to her house like swarms of flies. They had candles and lanterns in their hand. They threw giant-sized scorpion shadows on the wall. They searched for the scorpion, but they could not find it. They were uneducated and they had their own village gods. They uttered the name of the god to paralyze the evil one that had entered the mother's body. Right? So the evil one is also the scorpion and the evil one is also the poison. Right? So इन्होंने क्या कि villages how did they even help the woman? ठीक है, okay मैं वो help कर रहे सीगे तो ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ points ਪੜਿਆ as soon as they got to know ਸਾਰੇ villagers ਇੱਥੇ poet ਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾਂ speaker ਦੇ ਘਰ ਆ ਗਏ ਸੀ right and ਆਪਣਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ candles ਸੀ lanterns ਸੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਫਟਾਫਟ scorpion ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ since they believed that as much the scorpion would move, similarly the poison would also spread in the body, right? And some of them were praying fervently to save the mother's life, right? Because they believe that prayers now mother's life can be saved, right? And they have their own village god, so they uttered the name of God to paralyze the evil one that had entered the mother's body. All right. So moving further, we have another question. How did the peasants view the stinging in a positive manner? If you remember the poem, the peasants have also talked about how this, this experience, like painful experience hai lady vaste, how it is also positive for her in some way, right? So we hear them talking about karma theory, ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਜਨਮ ਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਤੀਜਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਜਨਮ ਨੂੰ ਸੌਖਾ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੱਕ ਸੈਲਫ ਪਿਊਰੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਪਿਰਿਚੁਅਲ ਪਿਊਰੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਰਾਈਟ the peasants of the village believe in karma theory. They believe that the sins committed in the previous birth will be purified if only the concerned person suffers in this birth, right? If you are familiar with Hinduism ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ideas ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਪਿਛਲਾ ਜਨਮ ਅਗਲਾ ਜਨਮ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਜਨਮ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਅਗਲੇ ਜਨਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਭੁਗਤਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਹੈ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਕਰੇਜ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਹੀ ਰਾਹ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਣ ਐਂਡ ਆਪਣੇ जो भी वो एक्शंस कर रहे सोच समझ के करन, किसी ਨੂੰ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨਾ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਣ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਕਾਰਮਾ ਥਿਉਰੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ। ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਫਰਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਇੱਕ ਲੌਜੀਕਲ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ। ਵੈਸੇ ਆਈ ਬਿਲੀਵ देयर ਮਾਈਟ ਨॉट ਬੀ ਐਨੀ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ, ਇਟਸ ਕੁਆਇਟ ਰੈਂਡਮ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਵਰਲਡ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਬਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਹਿੰਦੂਇਜ਼ਮ ਜਾਂ ਰਿਲੀਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਟਰਾਈ ਟੂ ਗਿਵ ਅ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪਰਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਉਸ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੇਸ ਕਰ ਸਕੇ, ਰਾਈਟ। So this is, they believe that the sins committed in the previous birth will be purified if only the concerned person suffers in this birth, right? They say that the mother's suffering by the scorpion burns away her sins in the previous birth. They also say that the mother's suffering decreases the misfortunes in her next birth. According to them, the mother's flesh and spirit are purified from desire because of this suffering. क्योंकि वो मदर इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस सफरिंग, ਤਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਹੋਰ ਪੈਸਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਹੋਰ ਇਹ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਬਟ ਵਾਂਸ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਥਰੂ ਸਮ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਯੂ ਰਿਅਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਯੂ ਫੀਲ ਇਨਲਾਈਟਨਡ ਕਿ ਓਕੇ these things are not as important as I thought them to be. So this is also the villagers idea that this is going to give the mother a fresh perspective on life, right? ਇੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ। The writer does not say whether their belief at this critical moment is right or wrong. He just presents it to be decided over by the readers. So if you will notice, poem ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ writer ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ criticize ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਆਹ ਸਾਈਡ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਹ ਸਾਈਡ ਗਲਤ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਵਿਲੇਜਰਸ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ father, what was the father trying to do in that situation, right? How everybody has come together to help, ਰਾਈਟ। ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਿਰਫ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਫਾਦਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਗੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਦਾ, ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੈਥਡਸ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਹਰਬਸ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨਸ so that the mother's life can be saved, right? Now we move further. What type of man was the father? How did he treat his wife? So after reading the poem, ਕੀ idea ਮਿਲਦਾ ਕਿ father ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਹੈ? तो ਚਲੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ। If you are not willing to talk, you can write in the chat box about what you think the father is like. So you can even take ideas from here, the answer itself. Right, so tell me what do you think of the father? Yes, think of it, tell me, chat ਵਿੱਚ ਬੇਟਾ ਭੇਜ ਦਿਓ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ word ਲਿਖ ਦਿਓ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ father ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ father ਦਾ ਉਹਦੀ nature ਦਾ ਕੀ idea ਮਿਲਿਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ poem ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬੇਟਾ, think of it. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੇਟਾ, you are supposed to write in the exam, remember this. And in the class, the idea is not for you just to understand the poem, but also frame a bit of, answers, कोई words सोचो ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ exam ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, right? क्योंकि English ਵਿੱਚ I don't think so कि ਤੁਸੀਂ simply ਜੇ answer ਰੱਟਾ ਮਾਰ ਲਿਆ, that will help you. ਉੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ different question ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ. So your clarity is very important कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ poem ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈ, ठीक है? You learned a few new words from it which you can use in your answers. So think of it, tell me, what do you think of the father in this situation? How is he? Is he worried? Say yes or no. So let's just read the answer here, since you guys are not too keen to reply. Right? The father was a skeptic, he was a rationalist, so he did not compromise with the beliefs of the villagers. He applied different kinds of medicinal herbs and a certain curative powder. He also melted paraffin and poured it on the bitten toe and set fire to it. The father tested every scientific way to find the recovery. After 20 hours, the mother was saved. Again, the writer keeps a neutral position here. He does not say whether the father's treatment cured the mother or the belief and rights of the villagers. All right? So the poet again is maintaining a very neutral position. He is simply describing the whole scene कि किवें होया, कदों होया या की होया ते सारे villagers अपने end तो किवें try कर रहे सी to help, right? The father was a skeptic, he was a rationalist, he did not compromise with the beliefs of the villagers. So father ਦੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ villagers ਬਾਕੀ villagers ਨਾਲੋਂ ਉਹਦੀ approach different ਸੀ. ਉਹ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਕੋਰਪੀਅਨ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਕੋਰਪੀਅਨ ਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲਈਏ ਤਾਂ that would also stop the poison from spreading in the body. No, he had a very logical or reasonable approach to the situation. He was trying to find a cure, which medicine would work, which herb would work to tame the poison, right? And we see that he is not exactly in agreement with what the villagers think, right? तो उन्होंने काफी apply किए different medicinal herbs, powder, पैराफिन मेल्ट करके ਉਹਦੇ ਟੋ ਤੇ ਪਾਤੀ ਐਂਡ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਅੱਗ ਲਗਾਤੀ burnt the paraffin, and the father tested every scientific way to find the recovery, right? So the poet says कि father was trying every possible ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ remedy ਆਂਦੀ ਸੀ to save the mother's life, right? So this lasted for about 20 hours and mother was finally saved. ਅਗੇਨ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਹੋਇਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੋਇਟ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰਸ ਨੇ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂ ਫਾਦਰ ਦੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਉਰ ਨੇ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ. ਨੋ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਓਕੇ ਦਿਸ ਵਾਜ਼ what was happening and in the end mother's life was saved. All right, so next question देखते हैं. How did the mother respond after the recovery? Right, the mother found recovery after 20 hours of treatment. We don't know whether the father's treatment cured the mother or the belief and rights of the villagers. But the poet implies that it is the mother's love for her children that saved her. The mother is a typical, okay, she thanks God because the scorpion has bitten her and not her children. She's a typical Indian mother who always cares for her children. Her whole world is her children. It is this response of the mother that gives a heart-touching end, a solution to human problems, the true love, right? So mother responded after the recovery. Mother is, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ end of the poem is ਕਿ simply mother says, thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children, right? ਆਪਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਪੇਜ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children. So imagine this, after 20 hours of so much pain, endless pain ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, still mother is grateful. Mother ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਏ ਇਦਾਂ ਬੋਲੇ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਾਂ something like that. No, mother is still grateful कि okay, my children are safe. No matter how much pain I went through, at least my children did not go through the same, right? So this tells us कि even through the 20 hours the time, mother was worried about her children. ठीक है, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ typical Indian mother ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ठीक है, या even I believe mothers all over the world, they are so concerned about their children. There are times when they put their children ahead of their own needs, right? Similarly in this situation also ये वाली points भी ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹੀ ਪੜਿਆ कि mother is going through so much of pain, right? But ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਕਿਸ ਵੱਲ ਸੀ? ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਵੱਲ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੈਲਫੇਅਰ ਵੱਲ. ਤੇ she was worried ਕਿ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕੋਰਪੀਅਨ ਨੇ ਬਾਈਟ ਕਰਤਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So this is how she responds after recovery. This is the first thing she says when she gains consciousness. ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਸ਼ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ, this is what she says. And this is very ironical ਕਿ ਬੜੀ ਅਜੀਬ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਉਹ God ਨੂੰ ਥੈਂਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ, but this is very grateful of her. ਹਲੇ ਉਹ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਹੋਏ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. Usually we tend to do that ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਗਲਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ we get mad ਕਿ ਇਦਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਇਆ, what did we do, right? So this is how the mother responds after the recovery. Now just let's take a look at the theme of the poem. So what do we mean by theme? Theme is basically कि poem ਦਾ central idea, ਤੁਸੀਂ central idea ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ different ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ mostly ਕਿਹੜੇ topic ਦੇ around ਹੈ poem, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ theme is ਕਿ ਇੱਕ incident ਦੇ through ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ Indian villages ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ thought ਹੈ, Indian mother ਦਾ ਕੀ approach ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਇਹਦਾ theme ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ. The theme of the poem is presented through an incident in which the poet's mother is bitten by a scorpion on rainy night, right? The villagers, on hearing of this unfortunate event, come to see her praying to God and giving all kinds of justifications for her suffering. With their prayers and words, they try to console the victim. So console is ke dilasa dena, right? On the villagers, on hearing of this unfortunate event, as we read in the poem ਕਿ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ villagers ਆ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। villagers ਨੂੰ swarms of flies ਨਾਲ compare किया है, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੱਖੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਵੰਸ਼, ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਝੁੰਡ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ। Similarly, poet says ਕਿ villagers ਵੀ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਸੀ when they got to know ਕਿ mother has been bitten by a scorpion, right? And they start praying, ठीक है। ਉਹ ਕੰਸੋਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਉਹ ਕਾਰਮਾ ਥਿਊਰੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਚਲੋ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਜਨਮ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਏ, ਤੇਰਾ ਅਗਲਾ ਜਨਮ ਸੌਖਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। And the victim's husband, who is otherwise a skeptic and a rationalist, वो भी हर method try कर रहे हैं, हर herbs, हर medicine, ठीक है, कि just to save the mother। एक होता है ना, in a desperate situation, we try the methods or something which we did not believe in। ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ, ਜਾਂ even let's say we are not so religious, ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਇੰਨਾ regularly ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ, but when the situation is difficult, even what we think of, we pray to God। Why? We might not believe in God otherwise, but उस situation जब अपन लगता है कि yes, we need this spiritual strength, we need this support, we feel better after praying, right? Similarly, here also the victim's husband, who is otherwise a skeptic and a rationalist, also gives in to every curse and blessing. The poem shows how when a critical situation arises, human beings are always willing to help one another. Now, this is what we notice, सारे villagers इन्हें help करन आ गए, right? ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਚਲੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਆਪਸ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੋਏ, ਦਿਸ ਵਾਸ ਦ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਸੀ, ਐਂਡ ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ ਕੇਮ ਫਾਰਵਰਡ ਟੂ ਹੈਲਪ। The ordinary villagers show their simplicity and sympathy. Though they are not of much help and given to superstitions and false beliefs, they try to help out. Now, we can't really say that they are not of much help. They did help the situation or the father or the family in whichever way they could. Now, if they knew that we can pray to save, right? So they were praying to God to save the mother, right? And what we notice कि ਜਿਹੜੇ अपने father है, right? He is trying his own methods to save the mother, right? So if you are to write about the theme, beta आ सारे pointers है, you can elaborate on these, right? You can mention कि एक Indian village ਦਾ scenario ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ है कि what people believe in, how they tackle a situation जितने कोई problem होए, if they are facing a problem together, right? ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਕੋਰਪੀਅਨ ਬਾਈਟ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ what do they think ਕਿ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਇਆ, ਕਾਰਮਾ ਥਿਊਰੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ elaborate ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। So that all would be the theme. So beta I'll share this PPT in the group today, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰੈਫਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ for your exams, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਅੱਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ exams ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ help ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ। Even now we will try to revise it once again later, not immediately। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ 'ਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਇਹ poem fresh ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। So I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start something new. I think the poem is done. I would suggest that you read the poem. If you have any doubts, we can discuss in class tomorrow. Okay? So I'll end the class here and see you all tomorrow.